we need to note something, that there is difference between a compound sentence and a compound verb, or a verb that is compounded. When that is the case, you won't use a comma before the coordinating conjunction. Let's see the examples. Peter prepared well, but he failed the exam. Now you can see that this is a compound sentence because it has two main clauses. We have this as a subject, prepared is your verb, and then well you can take as A, and then here we have subject, failed, verb, and the exam, object. So the important part of the sentence are embedded of each clause. So we have the important parts of each clause there. So we use a comma before the but. But that same sentence can be reconstructed grammatically. So we can have Peter prepared well, but failed the exam. Once this is the case, we do not need to use the comma before the but again, because an essential part of the second clause is missing, and that is the subject of the second clause. We do not have that again, so it is using the subject of the first clause. Peter prepared well, but failed the exam. And if you look at it, usually come as naturally. The things that show is the punctuation mark that shows your slight pause, which is not as emphatic as an end mark. So if you watch Peter, if you listen carefully, you'll find out that in the first sentence there's that pause there, but in the second sentence the pause is no longer there. Peter prepared well, but he failed the exam. The other one, you can just move on smoothly. Peter prepared well, but failed the exam, because an essential element is missing. So in this case, we won't use the comma here, but here we must use the comma before the coordinating conjunction. So we want to take note of the fact that we use the comma to mark up the conjunction that is joining two main clauses in a compound sentence.